Hello, how's it? Mbha here. Another day, last and final episode of the Edgars Home Pimp My Space. I'm so excited to meet this beautiful lady. Her name is Genevieve. She's a compliance officer, and I don't know if her space is compliant to what we're about to do, but let's go pimp it, and hopefully she will comply with what we're gonna do for her. Come through. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
My name is Titi.
I'm Genevieve.
You're Genevieve. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Oh, wow. You've got a lovely spot. After you,
Can I have a seat?
beauty before age. Oh, lovely spot you've got here, man.
Thank you.
Is it called a pad, an apartment? Anyway,
Whatever
it's
you
beautiful.
want.
As beautiful as you. I'm quite intrigued by the fact that you want us to pimp the lounge. Why the
Yes.
lounge?
I think I spend most of my time here, like just socializing, de-stressing. Yeah.
So the exciting thing about this is that, we are going to give you a pimp that is worth 10,000 Rand.
Wow.
And you'll be able to choose the stuff that you like. You said earlier on that there's too much gray.
Yes.
I mean, this is like different shades of gray, 50
Yeah, it's
shades,
too many-
maybe
too
52
much.
shades of gray, ne?
Yes.
So we are going to give you 10,000 Rand worth of pimp so that you
Wow.
can convert it from shades of gray to maybe shades of color. I'm excited for you. I think this is going to be really great. Let's go shopping. Okay, first things first. I think we need to get trolleys
Yeah,
because we're going to do a lot of shopping, girl.
I agree.
We'll start with 2, but I can guarantee you're going to come and get some more. Here are some cushions.
This looks nice to me.
This, you like
Yeah.
this. So these are 249.95. These are great. And you're getting 2 of these, right?
Yes.
Have you considered
Actually, I'll take 2 black.
2 black?
Yeah.
Are you also considering like mixing it with a bit of color, or you think this is too bright?
Okay, maybe I'll take these.
Just to
yellow
bring-
ones. Yeah.
What do you think of this? Even more like that. Get the busy one in the middle and the plain colors on the sides.
That is perfect.
This will be awesome. She's coming all right. And tell me your feel when it comes to flowers.
I love these actually.
Awesome.
I saw them when I came in.
Awesome. And the 199.95.
Wow.
Hey girl, you don't want to spend money, ne?
No.
Ah, you got 10,000 Rand.
No.
Really? So these are the lamp covers, but I think this is great.
I think that's perfect.
I think this is absolutely great. And I think you said you wanted 2 of
I
these.
love that it's long.
Yes. And in terms of the lamp shade covers, are you looking at
White,
white?
definitely
Eh?
white.
Keep it clean. Keep it clean, girl. Keep it clean. And it's great because these are 229.95. Oh, I'm
Wow.
worried about you, eh? You're gonna come really under budget, like so under budget. What's next?
Throws. I want some
Throws. Great. Okay. There's some flannel fleece throws. What colors are you looking at?
I think the yellow and
Yellow.
the black.
I agree. And the nice thing is, you buy 2, you save $100.
Wow.
How cool is that? And what about the orange?
Yes.
I love the orange as well.
I think maybe another black one.
Beautiful. Magnifique. Hold on. You didn't see that color. She found the color that she likes. Right? This is a slam
Dunk.
dunk. Throws, check. Lamp, check. Cushions, check. Flowers, check.
Check.
Guess what's missing? How cool are
Yes,
these? How cool are
definitely.
these? Throw it in. What else?
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
Yes.
Winter's coming, right? I agree. Ooh, this is lovely. This is lovely.
Wow.
Do you know that this also comes with it's like a little mat. Where is it? You might like it, you might not like it, but
Wow. This is beautiful.
you can even get 2 if you like, so that you can like space them out.
Wow.
What's left?
I want a diffuser.
I think we've got enough. If you exceed your budget of 10,000, then we have to remove some stuff. I don't think you've exceeded. I think you probably still got some change, but I could be wrong. Let's go
Okay,
find out.
let's
Come
go.
through. 10,000 Rand. There you go.
Yay.
Yay, yay. Scan everything, my brother, everything. Fluffy's in. So you're gonna take back some of the scatter cushions, maybe? Are you gonna be sad?
He is very sad.
You don't have to be sad. You're still on 8 out of 5, girl. Come on.
Okay.
We've still got money. We've still got money. I think we must go back and see what else you can pick up.
I'm thinking a clock. I don't have a clock at home.
I told you you're gonna come on the budget. 1,005. There's still a lot you can take, eh?
It's the investment brain coming out.
No. Now you need to forget about it and just spend. Yes, yes, yes.
Beautiful.
Into the basket. So we've still got 1,003. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking, yeah, the fluffy, more of the fluffy. Nope.
I think so.
I think one of this.
It's really nice.
This is beautiful.
It is. How much is it? 1,300. We've got 1,300 left. Taking it?
Yes.
I think you got some really nice stuff.
Yes.
You got taste, girl. So we are sitting on what? 10,008 rand and 60 cents. As you can see, 4 trolleys full, and we actually have some more at the back. We need to get more trolleys. But how are you feeling at this point? I mean, just a lot of stuff.
I'm exhausted.
High five. Well done. All in budget. 10,000 rand, well spent. Wish it was me. Woo. I don't even know where we're gonna start, eh?
I don't know myself.
We're gonna start where it hurts the most. Let's start unpacking so that we can pimp your
Here's my
space.
space.
Edgars home. This is incredible. This is crazy. I mean, this
For days.
this can be like a we can have a cushion party.
Yeah.
Cushion party.
This is a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take out the old stuff and then make space for
The new stuff.
the new stuff, and the process starts. Get of the old. I think I'm gonna sit down.
Are you tired
I'm
already?
very tired. Wake me up when you're done.
No.
Okay, let's finish. Okay, so you want it here?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes,
Okay,
this
let's
is
keep it
good.
here. We're done.
Yes.
Let's sit down. I'm actually gonna sit here because I'm too terrified to sit there. It looks too beautiful. I don't wanna mess it up. I personally feel honored to have come into your space and see the transformation that has happened. I'm very honored that you've invited us to your personal space, and I thank you and Edgars home. But most importantly, how do you feel, Genevieve?
I feel relieved. My home is a bit more color, it's more vibey. And thank you, Edgars home.
Here's a beautiful story of a young, shy lady who was actually very scared to try out different colors. The more she shopped around Edgars home, the more she really became free and comfortable. That's what it's about, turning shyness into comfort and confidence. Edgars home, Pimp My Space, is about turning houses into homes. Let me go home.